Let's look at 3 different Zwilling knife series, all made in Solingen, Germany, the city of blades. Good, better, best. Let's start with Gourmet. We're looking at a stamped knife, which means one piece of metal with a riveted handle attached. Next one up is the 4-star series. This knife is forged. The metal runs 3/4 tang up until here. We can see this bulky bolster part, which is giving your knife a better balance, which means more control. And it comes with a plastic handle. And then finally, our most premium series, Zwilling Pro. Again, we're looking at one piece of metal, tipped to heel, a bulky bolster part for balance, durability, and control. But what we did, we curved out the bolster, which means you're gonna get the most ergonomic pinch grip possible. You should have your thumb on the blade, your pointing index finger on the other side, 3 fingers around the handle, which is making this blade an extension of your arm, which will give you the best control. It also makes the knife a little bit more efficient because we're looking at a full edge. That means that you can use the full length of the blade while making a push cut. It also means that you can maintain the full length of the blade when you need to hone or sharpen your knife. These 3 series are all made out of our special formula steel, which is a 57 Rockwell hardness steel, which will give you the best balance between sharpness and ability to resharpen. They all are sharpened in a 30-degree angle, which means 15 degrees on both sides. That makes them evenly sharp. It's just personal preference. Which balance, which handle, which length do you like the best? Zwilling Gourmet series is a great entry-level knife. So this 8-inch Gourmet chef's knife is used like 85 to 90% of the time in your kitchen, mainly for all your veggie prep. So for your leeks, your carrots, your celery, your onion, your herbs. Choose Gourmet if you just got started in the kitchen or if you prefer a lighter, fast-handling knife. So let's look at Zwilling 4-star, which is one of our top-selling series. We're looking at a knife with a forged bolster, a straight bolster. The metal will run up until here, which is called a 3/4 tang. Zwilling 4-star is an iconic German-made series with a long history. So Zwilling has been making knives since 1731. That means almost 300 years of knife making and knife knowledge. So Zwilling 4-star is also made out of our special formula steel, which is ice hardened. It comes with a fully forged bolster for the optimal control. Zwilling 4-star has a comfortable, ergonomic, soft plastic handle, which will give you a really smooth grip. So the Zwilling 4-star series is a great series for the more experienced home chefs out there. If you want to own a piece of Zwilling legacy, 4-star is a great bet. So let's talk about my personal favorite series, which is Zwilling Pro. It's the series for the optimal control. We're looking at one piece of metal, tip to heel, riveted handle, bulky bolster part for balance, control, and durability. And it comes with a curved bolster, which is the optimal design for the most ergonomic grip, which should be the pinch grip, where your thumb is on the metal, your pointing finger on the other side, 3 fingers loosely around the handle, making that blade a true extension of your arm. I recommend Zwilling Pro if you want to buy a knife for a lifetime. Picking a knife has a lot to do with personal preference. Go to a store, hold it, feel it, use it. The best knife is the one that fits your hand and fits your budget.